This is the daily chart of ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission. I have taken the chart from April till December 2021. This is the daily chart. By looking to this chart, you may question where is the bullishness. Yes, you are correct. From here, the bullishness cannot be ascertained. To check whether this particular chart does have any bullish indication or not, we need to do a complete price action analysis. Let us do a price action analysis on ONGC. So as a first step, I will convert this to line chart, and I am seeing the data from April till December, only 6 7 months data. So from here I may not get a complete picture of the price movement. So to a complete picture, I need to see the data from 2014 onwards. Let us squeeze it. Now I am able to see the data. See, this is 2014. So 2014 onwards, I'll see the data. Why 2014? Because in 2014, this chart has made a lifetime high, and after that it has never crossed even to that zone. So that is why I am interested to see the price movement from this date onwards. So to do that, I will draw a trend line from that zone to recent days. If I draw the trend line like this, can you see how beautifully this chart has taken? This price is trying to go past this resistance level not only once but multiple times, but it failed in each time. Finally, in 2021, June 2021, it has successfully crossed that resistance level over here. But after that, it had failed. It has failed, but it has not come down. Rather, it has consolidated in the same zone, resistance zone. And in August 2021, it has broken, went up to 170 level, and it is falling down currently. So this is the broader view. Okay, now we'll draw a resistance line, sorry, support line. This is the red color is the resistance line, and this line is the support line. I'll draw this support line. So this is the support line. Let us mark it as green line. Okay, the green line is the support and red is the resistance. So I have drawn the line. Now I'll convert this to bar chart, and I'll expand it so that I can see a clearer picture. Now in this chart, now you can see how beautifully it has taken support near the support zone, and from 110 level it has gone up to 170 level within very short period of time. After reaching 170, it has come down, and it is trying to take support again near the same zone. Whether it will take support here or not, that how will be able to identify. So to check that, see a see the chart and weekly format. In this is the weekly chart. Now from here, can you notice the chart is forming a beautiful pin bar pattern? This weekly chart is forming a beautiful pin bar pattern, and pin bar pattern is forming where? Near the support zone, near the support area. Formation of pin bar or any kind of reversal pattern at a support or resistance level is crucial to the price action analysis. That is what we are doing here. We have identified a crucial bar near the support zone. So that means it is a good buy, because As per the Dow theory, it is making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, again higher high, and it should be considered as a higher low. If this pin bar is sustained, this will be a higher low. Why? Because it is forming near the support area. To identify crucial pin bars at crucial area is utmost important for any technical analysis, and that is what we are doing here. So we have identified this pin bar at a support zone. So this is a good long position because the stop loss is very low. This is the stop loss. Stop loss is here only if you keep it at 130 level, and you can eye for a good upside movement of this stock. Because stop loss is low, we are interested in this stock. Okay, so this is the kind of mm, area and zone you need to identify through price action, so that you can also be a good successful investor or trader, right? So to see the higher to see the target level, let us move to the monthly chart. In monthly chart, you see in 2014 it has made a higher high, I mean a lifetime high, and after that it has never crossed that. And in August 2021 it has successfully crossed. After that it has gone up to 170, and again trying to come near to that support zone and trying to take support here. And if it takes support here, then it has potential to go up. So there are two major resistance. Immediate resistance is this one around 210 level. Then if it crosses that, then it will try to go near the 300 level, which is lifetime high. So we can eye with this small stop loss, we can eye to reach here and here in the coming days. So this is our analysis as per based on pure price action concept. And this is ONGC, and if you can keep this ONGC stock in your radar and observe the price movement in the coming days. So this is our analysis on ONGC. If you like this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.